Hey guys, so I got a slime package from this girl named Evelyn. So let's open this up because I want to see the slime. Right, so here's the note and here's the slime. I already know what color it is, and I already know I don't know what it feels like though. Let's open this note. Oh, I just ripped them out. Okay. Oh well, I think I could still read it. Well, the heart is off, but not the letters. Alright, so it says, "Hello Pixies123. I hope you enjoy your slime." Social media is Sandy Kawaii, and her YouTube channel is Sandy Slimes, the one she does poking. So yeah, now let's open this slime up. Yeah. So here's the slime. It's sealed in here, but I'm trying to find the opening part because I can't. I can't find the opening part. How do you open this? I don't need scissors for this. So, when you get slimes from here, these will be a little bit hard to open. It didn't come in a bag, so I hope it didn't melt. It's because it was in the slime. Oh my gosh, guys, it's really bubbly and yeah. Wow. And I have borax solution to it just in case this is sticky, and it is kind of sticky. So I'm gonna put borax solution and move all my stuff to the side. This is pretty sticky. Oh god, this is really sticky. Okay, I got borax solution right here, warm water. And it's a little bit not sticky though. Chimpanzee. I don't know, I said chimpanzee. So slime is a bit sticky. My camera. More. It's almost not sticky, but it's quite sticky still. It's almost done. It's not sticking to my hands quite bad. I just need to knead it more. And she said this was a fluffy clear slime. Here, I'm going to add just a little bit borax to it because I don't want it to be extra sticky. The more you knead it, the more stretchier it will be.
You want more orange again?
I already have a lot more. McDonald's! Did you get Happy Meal or no? Yeah. Huh?